Welcome back. So, hope you had a thought on what we discussed yesterday. Yes, you are right. Yesterday we had a discussion about a small girl, Anna, who was launching her paper boats one by one. Okay, and she was so happy to launch those paper boats, and those paper boats which were launched in the stream were traveling through the water with lot and lot of proudness, and it was traveling swiftly, വേഗത്തിൽ അഭിമാനത്തോടെ പോകുന്ന കാര്യമാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത്. ആൻഡ് ഒന്നിനു പുറകെ ഒന്നായിട്ട് ഇന്നെ അന്ന പേപ്പർ ബോട്ട് ലോഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന കണ്ടില്ലേ? ഗുഡ്. Now let's see what's going to happen today. Okay, suddenly something horrible happened. പേടിച്ചു പോയോ? Suddenly means പെട്ടെന്ന്. Okay, something horrible happened. Horrible എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്തോ ഭീകരമായ ഒന്ന് സംഭവിച്ചു. എന്തായിരിക്കാം? What could be the horrible thing that has happened? Give a minute thought about what could have happened and think about it and tell me. Yes, Justin. Oh, okay. Justin thinks that, yesterday there was a boy in the picture. Okay, so he says that the boy could have snatched it. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. Or okay, Reshma was telling that she doesn't know what has happened. She thinks that the paper boat might have got inside the water. I mean, it has sinked. It's not inside the water. It's like sinked in water. Let's see. Let's find out. Okay, good thoughts by all of you. Thank you so much. Let's find out before we get into today's topic, which is an angry girl. What do you mean by angry? What do you mean by angry? Angry. Yes, Deshim. Now I'm smiling. Now I'm angry. I'm an angry sir, okay? I'm an angry man. Yes? So, angry is right. What you're telling is right. Angry means deshippetulla allengil bhayangara deshathodu kudiyalla. Okay? And today's topic here is on your screen here. What do you see there? An angry girl. What's that? Angry Bird. No, that's a movie. I'm sure you all like Angry Birds movie. That's wonderful thing that you can watch. It's a nice cartoon movie for all you little ones. But here, the heading for today's discussion is nothing but an angry girl, okay? An angry girl. Please have a look at the screen so that you can try to understand why she is angry. Why is she angry? Who is angry? Yes, you're right. It's Anna. It's Anna who is angry. Anna. Why is she angry? Can you look at the screen once more? Is it only Anna you find on screen, or you have somebody else in the screen? Who is that? Yeah? Justin? It's none other than a boy. There is another boy who is actually in the picture. I want you to once more look at that wonderful thing where you could see what's there on the picture. I think, yes, you are right. There are few boats in the picture. Yes, there is a boy. Yes, then what else? Yeah, And what is the reaction of Anna? Is she happy? Do you find Anna happy? No, she is not. She is standing like this, confused. Confused. Let's see what makes her angry, okay? An angry girl, okay? Suddenly, that horrible thing happened. Horrible thing. A fat boy pounced on one of her boats and pulled it. There was a fat boy and he pounced on Anna's paper boats and he pulled it. Pounce? Who pounces? My question. What do you mean by pounce? Chadi veeluga. Just like a tiger pounces on a deer. Here, the boy who was in the picture, he just pounced on one of Anna's paper boats like this. He snatched it and he pulled it. Pulled it while it chilled. Okay, let's find out why. While it chilled. So the paper boat is now with the fat boy, I think. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം ഈ ബോയ് ഒരു ഫാറ്റ് ബോയ് ആണെന്നാണ് നേരത്തെ ഒരാൾ പറഞ്ഞത്. So I'm just taking that point, okay? He turned the boat upside down. What do you mean by upside down? He turned the boat upside down. Upside down എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ തലകീഴായി. This is how the boat stands. Upside down is like this, okay? And this is what happened. Now, Anna stared at the boy. Anna stared at the boy. Oh no. What do you mean by staring? Staring? See, when you fight in class for small things, sometimes you look like this with your eyes. Your eyes becomes big and you just watch like this. That's called staring. തുറിച്ചു നോക്കുക എന്ന് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയും. Okay? തുറിച്ചു നോക്കൽ. Okay? തുറിച്ചു നോക്കുക. ആരെങ്കിലും ദേഷ്യത്തോടെ തുറിച്ചു നോക്കും. നമുക്കറിയാലോ. Okay? So Anna was staring at the boy. He was fat. He was very fat. Fat എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നല്ല തടിയുള്ളൂ. And dirty. Dirty എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ദേഹത്തൊക്കെ ആകെ ചെളിയും ആകെ ഇതുള്ള dirty. അത്ര കാണാൻ സുഖമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഡ്രസ്സൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര മോശമായിരിക്കാം. Okay? So അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്നലെ പറഞ്ഞത് ഫാറ്റ് ബോയ് ആണെന്ന് ആരോ പറഞ്ഞു. Okay? So I'm taking that point. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് Anna stared at the boy who was very good, fat and dirty. Now let's see what the fat boy is going to do. Fat boy എന്ത് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് അറിയണ്ടേ? Fat boy a dirty ആയിട്ടുള്ള നല്ല തടിയുള്ള ചെക്കൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു എന്ന് അറിയണ്ടേ? നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. He just pulls it. ഇങ്ങനെ pull ചെയ്ത് he just pulls it back and he is looking at it. ഏറ്റവും വലിയ കാര്യം എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയാതെ he did not mind Anna's angry face. Angry face ഉള്ള അന്നെ ഒട്ടും തന്നെ മൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മുടെ ഫാറ്റ് ബോയ് തയ്യാറായില്ല. The fat boy did not mind Anna's angry face. No, he did not mind anything. He was just looking at the boats. What will you do when you were launching paper boats? Somebody pounces on your paper boats, pulls it, and you are staring at him, but the other person, the boy, does not even mind what you're doing. Yes, you will cry. Yes, you will cry, okay? You will beat him. Don't beat anybody. No, no, no. Don't beat. And don't cry. Now, you wanted to know what happens here? Here, Anna ran home. Anna ran home. She was not able to understand anything. She just ran home as fast as she could. Anna runs home. My question that I want you to do now. As Anna is running home as fast as she could, What will be the thought of Anna? What is Anna going to do? What will Anna do? Will she come back? Or is that the end? Now think about it, and I want you to also make sure that you have the new words on your screen here. Here you have those new words. Think about what Anna is going to do till we meet tomorrow on understanding and finding out how is the story going to move forward. Till that, don't pull yourself backward. No, just go forward with your thoughts. Stay tuned. Thank you people for watching. Thank you kids for watching. Love.